Good morning, students, all of you. Today, discuss about this topic income tax. Income tax, the government of India decided to rate of individuals of income tax as well as Income Tax Act 1961 1961. Okay, the government of India decided the rate of individuals income as well as income tax. Income tax as Indian government followed by the any individuals rules and regulations of Income Tax Act 1961. Individual means three category of peoples means first one citizen peoples, second one senior citizen, third one super senior citizens. Okay, first one major citizen means as a individual of first stage of person, individual age 60 years below. 60 years below. Second one senior citizen, so 60 years above. Third one super senior citizen age 60 years above, 80 years below. Sorry, 80 years, 60 years below, 80 years above. Okay, three stages of peoples: citizen people, senior citizen, super senior citizens. Also, three genders of incomes, individuals of income tax as well as income tax means citizen people income level, citizen people other name of SSC as per income tax. First one citizen people exemption value, citizen income of the year exemption first one citizen people age 60 years below, income of year 2,50,000 rupees, and the exemption value also 2,50,000 rupees. Then citizen people 60 years below of income 2,50,000, exemption value of 2,50,000. The rate of income tax also nil. These persons, any citizen, senior citizen, super senior citizen, first person citizen people also any financial year and current assessment year also 2000 current assessment year 2020-21 also financial year every person then Government of India, any individuals followed by rules and regulations decided to rate of individuals. Rate of individual also citizen, senior citizen, super senior citizens, followed by current assessment year and financial year as per the 31st March every year, as per the 31st March closing of year, closing of the year, and 1/4/2021 the opening year. Any person closing of the year and opening of the year is a financial year. Financial year also current assessment year. This person citizen people followed by 2,50,000 year income and exemption value 2,50,000, rate of income tax nil. Next stage of income 0 to 2,50,000 of income and 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs rupees of national income means total income, and of the year value of 2,50,000, exemption 2,50,000, rate of income tax will be paid this person 5% of income tax every year. Next stage 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs. Then exemption value and income of year 2,50,000 rupees, exemption value 2,50,000, rate of income 20% of rate of income, and 10 lakhs above, 10 lakhs above, exemption value also 2,50,000 and 2,50,000. Rate of income tax 30% will be paid on citizen people. First person also citizen people age 60 years below. First in a levels of incomes 0 to 2,50,000 year of income and 2,50,000, exemption value also 2,50,000, rate of income tax will be paid nil. Next level of income 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs rupees, year of income 2,50,000, exemption value 2,50,000 rupees. The rate of income tax 5% will be paid on tax liability. In the third step 5 to 10 lakhs rupees, exemption will be paid rate of income tax 20% of rate of income. Next 10 lakhs above, this person also 10 lakhs above of total income, the exemption value also 2,50,000, rate of income tax will be paid as on 31st March any closing year, and the current assessment year also financial year will be paid on 30% of tax liability in this person. Second one senior citizen. Senior citizen also is a year of 60 years above. This person income level of any financial year as per current assessment year 2020-21 is a levels of incomes 0 to 3 lakhs rupees, exemption also 3 lakhs rupees, rate of income tax nil. Now second step 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs rupees of any financial year of income. 3 lakhs to up to 5 lakhs rupees means 4 lakhs 99,000 any etc. value of this person. Exemption value 3 lakhs rupees. And the rate of income tax will be paid on 5% of rate of income tax. This person 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs rupees of income, and tax liability will be prepared on 3 lakhs rupees up to exemption value will be prepared on any other income, rate of income 5% will be any etc. value. Next 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs rupees, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs rupees exemption value same, and then calculation of 20% of rate of income tax. Now last one 10 lakhs above, 10 lakhs above exemption value so 3 lakhs, and calculation of percentage rate of income tax 30% of income. Now last one super senior citizen 80 years above, 80 years above, and this person total income and exemption values ni chuskunam. This person super senior citizen, so the Indian government followed by super senior citizen income levels 0 to 5 lakhs rupees of exemption value, next rate of income tax exemption value so 5 lakhs rupees means nil value, and rate of income tax nil. Second stage of super senior citizen income 5 to 10 lakhs rupees, 5 to 10 lakhs rupees, 5 to 10 lakhs rupees of total income. So this financial year of 2020-21, so current assessment year exemption value also 5 lakhs rupees. The rate of income tax 20% will be calculations. Next third one 10 lakhs above, 10 lakhs above exemption value 5 lakhs rupees, rate of income tax 30%, rate of income tax 30%. These persons also the government of India decided to rate of individuals of income tax as well as Income Tax Act 1961. First person individuals citizen people, second person senior citizen, third person super senior citizens. First person total income and age citizen people also men or women 60 years below any of the persons 60 years below exemption value 2,50,000 rupees. Second 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs rupees exemption 2,50,000. The rate of income tax 5% will be paid as on financial year every person. Every person means citizen, senior citizen, super senior citizen. Okay. These persons valuation of problem. Another one, these persons valuation of any value of rupees, calculation of central government, state government, any local, మరి స్టేట్ గవర్నమెంట్, సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్, లోకల్ గవర్నమెంట్కి వీళ్ళు పే చేయాల్సినటువంటి వాల్యూస్ని సరే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకుందాం. ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ప్రాబ్లం ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ ప్రొఫార్మా. Okay. any example X person, name, current assessment year, current assessment year 2020-21 as a financial year. First one, three category of people: so citizen people, senior citizen, super senior citizens. Senior citizen, super senior citizen, any say senior citizens. First one, citizen people, total income up to 10 lakhs above 2,50,000 exemption value. Next, senior citizen value 3 lakhs up to 10 lakhs above 30% and 3 lakhs exemption value. Super senior citizen exemption value 5 lakhs rupees. Mari citizen people total income, gross total income, gross income, example 12 lakhs rupees, any etc. value. Next, total gross income minus exemption. Exemption, so 2,50,000 rupees. $2,50,000. Then final value, total income. Total income. Total income. Citizen people, senior citizen, super senior citizen people also. Then calculation of any etc. value. Citizen people 10 lakhs above, senior citizen people 10 lakhs above, super senior citizen 10 lakhs above. Then first person citizen people exemption value 2,50,000, senior citizen people 3 lakhs rupees, super senior citizen 5 lakhs rupees. Any total value of income in financial year as per current assessment year 2020-21. 3% total incomes. 3% total incomes exemption values. Total incomes. These persons citizen people income level up to 50 lakhs. 50 lakhs will be calculation of surcharge. Surcharge up to 50 lakhs, 10% of surcharge in calculation of citizen person, and super senior citizen 10%, super senior citizen 10%, senior citizen 10%, citizen 10%, up to 50 lakhs of rupees will be pay on state government or central government, and 15% of surcharge 50 lakhs to 1 crore above value of rupees, then calculation of surcharge. 50 lakhs, 10% of surcharge, 15%, 50 lakhs up to 1 crore above rupees of any this person citizen, senior citizen, super senior citizens. Any years, 60 years, 60 years above, 20 years above, below. Okay. Then gross total income. Then value of rupees, rebate under section add rebate under section 87A, exemption value of 2,500 rupees. Any value of rupees, citizen people 5 lakhs rupees, senior citizen 5 lakhs rupees, super senior citizen gross total income value 5 lakhs rupees, nearest value up to add 2500 rupees, 87,000 rebate under section 87 gain. Next, add education cases. Education cases also 4%. 4% education cases. First, primary education at the rate 2%. Secondary education at the rate 1%. Third one, health case at the rate 1%. Then final value of gross total income, citizen, senior citizen, super senior citizen, these persons also total incomes will be find out. Education cases, primary education case 2% will be calculation of gross total income. Next, secondary education of gross total income calculation 1%. The health case of 1%, any valuation of rupees gross total income. Then final value of tax liability. Final value of tax liability. Any financial year will be prepared on every financial 31st March, any etc. year will be prepared on tax liability. Okay, thank you.